baking can do.
Your face.
Hi.
Is it rolling yet? Oh, it is. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. So we're on our way to Ikea. Family trip to Ikea because I need some things for my job. As you can see, the kids are really excited.
Woohoo! Ikea!
Woo!
Don't start. We'll give you the address, Ikea, where to send the things. We're plugging Ikea.
Yeah.
More than we should.
Packaging.
Everyone's in a bit of a rush to get home, and you can understand. If you've been at work all day, you're tired.
Just want to go home, but not us. We want to go to Ikea with our hats on.
Yeah, we decided we'd all be wearing hats today, but these in the back now have taken their hats off.
I get over you.
We want it to be the hat crew, the cap crew. The Sandy's got his hat on. Hip 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 hooray!
So how was school, Meals?
It was really good.
Was it?
No. It was okay. We had okay lessons today. I had music. Then I had religious, which was really boring. No offense if you're religious, it's just like
Nobody cares.
it's just really boring. Anyway,
Stay in school, kids.
Stay in school.
But we just have to mention, if you watched yesterday's vlog about us going to Manchester for an audition for Amelia,
I have another recall.
And that was the quickest recall ever in history of recalls.
yeah,
Normally takes time, doesn't it?
Basically,
good luck, charm.
there are still auditions all day again today in London. As
And they've
well.
already called you back.
And they said that they like me that much that they called me back to home.
Sometimes it's not what you know, my dear, it's who you know.
So there might So there may be a vlog next week of us going back to the recall. Anyway, so yeah, that's us over now. Am I in?
Yeah.
Here we are. Yeah. Here we are in Ikea. Oh, I'm gonna do some filming.
Oh my god, that chair. That's a good chair.
And then spinny spin spin. Spinny spin spin in Ikea.
Oh my god, this should be fun.
Hello, welcome to Park and Paul Airlines. Can I check you in? Oh, ow.
Hey sisters. Hey sisters, we have found the James Charles palette.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow.
It's you can feel the different floorboards. Asha, look. Asha.
Interesting. Solid quartz workshops. Interesting, really.
Bye-bye. Come Right, well that's it.
Okay.
Basically,
I'll see you, Chloe.
it's been a few hours.
Yeah.
It's been a couple of hours in Ikea. It was a bit of a stressful time when we was eating.
It wasn't stressful.
For me, I flapped a little bit for when we was having to queue up to eat. Ash couldn't decide, then he cried, then he was full, then he was hungry, and I sat eating an ice cream.
Yep. I've got everything.
We've got loads. Well, Catherine got loads of things that she needed. So the objective, what we came here for, we've actually accomplished. As well as a little bit of a family day out in Ikea. Oh, you know. And that's the kids, happy as punch, ice cream, frozen yogurt.
School tomorrow.
Yeah, well, so now it's time to hit the road, Jack.
Remember to
smash that like button.
Oh,
And the subscribe button, yeah?
Mm-hmm. And the subscribe button.
Guys. The big thumbs up. Dad, drop me a beat. Make sure you click the subscribe and give it a like. Yeah, you cannot miss it. Hit or miss, yeah? I guess you never miss, yeah? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't catch ya!
Whoa. Rewind, you've got a what?
Hit or miss, I bet he never missed, yeah? You got a boyfriend,
you've got a what?
He doesn't catch ya!
Alright, peace, everybody!
Bye!
Subscribe!